This recipe makes 10 giant Snickerdoodles. What's any better than a big classic cinnamon sugar-coated cookie? So let's get started on this authentic bakery recipe. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon granulated sugar, 1/2 cup packed brown sugar, 3/4 cup butter, unsalted, and 1/4 cup shortening. Add 2 teaspoons vanilla. Cream the butter and sugar mixture together until it turns light and fluffy. You can mix these using a hand mixer, or you could use a stand mixer, and if you don't have a mixer, you could just use a large fork. Add 2 large eggs and blend together well. Next, add 2 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons cream of tartar, and 3/4 teaspoon salt. If you're using salted butter, you can reduce the salt to about a 1/2 teaspoon. Mix on low speed just until the flour begins to blend in, and then you can switch over to a spoon or fork to finish off the mixing. I'm using my favorite blending fork to finish mixing in the flour, and I'll leave a link in the description for some of the things I'm using today, like the fork and the hand mixer and this really cute blueberry towel. And next we'll prepare the cinnamon sugar mixture. Stir together 2 heaping tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. And I like using organic sugar. The crystals are a little bit bigger and it makes a nice sparkly crackle on top as the cookies bake. Line a couple of baking sheets with parchment paper and divide your dough into 10 equal pieces. And I like using a large scoop for this. Roll into a ball and toss into the cinnamon sugar mixture. You can slightly flatten the dough balls as you go, and make sure to coat the sides with cinnamon sugar. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for about 18 to 20 minutes. Baking times can vary depending on your oven, so just keep check on the browning. For a printable recipe, check out my website at doublestopbakeshop.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.